We're back now with Angie Horkin from the Wisconsin Beef Council, and January is always a tough month, right? You're looking for some comfort food, but you're also trying to be on the healthier side, and you're really helping us with some protein for this one, too.
I am. I picked protein-packed recipes.
Love this.
For this time of year, and a lot of fresh vegetables incorporated in with lean beef cuts. So we have so many beef cuts that are USDA lean. So look for loin or round in the name when you're shopping for like steaks or roasts, and then ground beef. So a couple of our ground beef options are approved lean per USDA. So I have here like a really lean 90, you can find a 90% lean in the supermarket, or a 93, and I think this was a 96. So that means that it only has 4% fat.
Extra lean.
Very lean. So when you brown it up in your skillet, there won't be hardly any drippings to drain off. So I like using that ground beef in recipes where maybe you don't have that option.
Yeah.
So like you put raw ground beef into like stuffed peppers or something like that. But this time of year, I love it too because it's so high in protein and low in fat.
And I love the pasta intermixed in there too.
So this is one of my favorite Beef Council recipes. It's called a Greek-style beef and cheese ravioli.
Yum.
It's almost a one-dish meal. You kind of do it all in here other than cooking your pasta separately. But I started with a pound of that lean ground beef, browned it up, and then I added in the cooked, I have tortellini. So I did cheese tortellini.
Which is delicious.
That, yeah.
Yes.
But cheese tortellini, cheese ravioli, cook that per its package instructions on the side, and then you just throw that in cooked. Because then you're going to kind of just heat everything up. I've got about half of a can of whole black olives in here, and then 2 cans of diced tomatoes, like the Italian style with the basil, oregano, garlic flavoring. And then add in, when it's done, because you kind of cook it a little bit, a little thicken, and then when it's about done, throw in some fresh spinach.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
And I just did a coarse chop on that. And that's really all of our ingredients. So 5 ingredients.
Simple.
And we're going to add some feta cheese.
Well, you got to do that.
Yeah, because it's Greek. It's our Greek-style beef and cheese. So the recipe on the website says 30 minutes. I think you can do it a little faster than that. So perfect weeknight meal, 39 grams of protein per serving.
Yum.
Nice, warm.
Look at
I would
that.
say this would definitely be kid approved. Get that spinach nice and wilted so they can't see it.
Got to get that feta on top of there.
Get that feta on top. Beeftips.com. Click on As Seen on TV, and the whole month of January I've got links to all of these great protein-packed recipes, plus a lot of other recipe collections, our nutrition page, 10 essential vitamins and minerals in a serving of beef, including, of course, protein.
Oh, this one is speaking to me, I can tell you that. Angie Horkin, Wisconsin Beef Council, as always, we thank you.
You're welcome.